Hello, Curious Cubs! Welcome back to Curious Cub, your pocket of fun learning. I'm so happy you're here. Today we'll learn about something super important that helps us run, play, and laugh. The respiratory system, and especially our lungs. The air cleaners. Ready? Let's breathe in and let's go! Our respiratory system is the set of body parts that helps us breathe. It takes air into the body, gets oxygen from the air, which all our cells need, and takes out the waste gas called carbon dioxide. Think of it like a delivery team, bringing oxygen packages to every cell and taking the trash away. Here are the main parts we'll talk about: nose and nasal cavity, pharynx, that's your throat larynx, or your voice box, trachea, the windpipe, bronchi and bronchioles, those tiny air tubes, alveoli, the tiny air sacs, lungs, the big spongy organs and the diaphragm, the important breathing muscle under your lungs. The nose is the main gateway. When you breathe in through your nose, tiny hairs and sticky mucus catch dust and germs, kind of like a broom. Your nose also warms and moistens the air so your lungs are happy. The pharynx is a short passage where air and food meet. It's like a little crossroad. Air goes one way to the lungs, food goes another way to the stomach. Always remember, don't run with food in your mouth. The larynx sits below the throat. It helps us make sounds and talk. When you say hello, the larynx is singing along. The trachea is a strong tube that carries air down to the lungs. It has little rings like the rungs of a ladder to keep it open. Imagine it as a sturdy tunnel for air. The trachea splits into two big pipes, the bronchi, one for each lung. These keep splitting into smaller and smaller tubes called bronchioles, just like branches of a tree. Air rides down the branches to reach every corner of the lung. At the end of those tiny tubes are millions of tiny balloons called alveoli. This is where the magic happens. Oxygen moves from the alveoli into the blood, and carbon dioxide moves out to be breathed away. It's like tiny mailboxes exchanging oxygen letters with the blood. You have two lungs, a right lung and a left lung. They are soft and spongy and fill up with air when you breathe in. They sit inside your chest and work all day and night without any rest. Under the lungs is a big dome-shaped muscle called the diaphragm. When it goes down, your lungs get big and pull air in. When it relaxes, the air gets pushed out. Try this. Put your hand on your belly and take a big breath. Your tummy will move. That's your diaphragm doing the job. So, when you breathe in, air enters your nose, goes down the trachea, then into the bronchi, then into the bronchioles, and finally to the alveoli. That's where oxygen passes into your blood, and your heart carries that oxygen all over your body. When you breathe out, your body sends back carbon dioxide, and out it goes. It's like teamwork between your lungs and your heart. They're perfect partners. Let's keep our lungs happy. Try these easy tips. Breathe through your nose. It cleans and warms the air. Play and exercise daily. Running, skipping, and playing games make your lungs strong. Wash hands often. It stops germs from reaching your throat and lungs. Avoid smoke. Never stay near someone smoking or near fires with lots of smoke. Smoke hurts those tiny air sacs. Eat colorful fruits and veggies. Vitamins help your body fight infection. Cover your mouth when coughing or sneezing. Use your elbow or a tissue to stop germs from spreading. Keep rooms clean and dust-free. Dust can make you cough. A quick sweep or mop helps. Get vaccines on time. Shots, like the flu shot, protect your lungs from some bad germs. Ask a grown-up about it. Avoid strong smells and pollution. On really dusty or polluted days, play indoors or wear a mask if needed. Practice deep breathing exercises. Take 3 slow, big breaths every morning. It's like a little exercise for your lungs. You need a clear plastic bottle, 2 balloons, and a bigger balloon or some cling film. Put a small balloon inside the bottle, that'll be the lung, and stretch the bigger balloon or the cling film over the bottle opening. That's the diaphragm. When you pull the big balloon down, the small balloon inside inflates. just like a lung when the diaphragm moves down. This shows how breathing works. Oh, and make sure you do this with an adult nearby. Your lungs never stop working, even while you sleep. Singing and laughing are good for your lungs. They make your breathing muscles strong. Okay, quiz time. Which part cleans dust from the air when you breathe in? Hint, it's on your face. What tiny parts in the lungs help swap oxygen and carbon dioxide? Name the big muscle under your lungs that helps you breathe. Why should we avoid smoke? And tell me one fun way to strengthen your lungs. Be sure to write your answers in the comments, and I'll give a shout out in the next video for correct answers. Great job, Curious Cubs! You breathed through that lesson like champions. In our next episode, we'll learn about a new hero team inside us, the digestive system, how our body turns food into energy and builds us strong. Don't miss it! If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to Curious Cub for more fun lessons. See you next time. Keep breathing fresh and stay curious. Bye-bye.